Status grab handle and I like to be grabbed. Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you come in. Well, welcome back. Luckily for you, you're just in time for me to show you our new grab handles for the Polaris Slingshot. Our new grab handles are made from a marine grade vinyl to resist the elements and are available in a variety of stitch colors to match your Slingshot's color profile. These grab handles kick your interior styling up a notch while giving your passenger something soft to hold on to while you're ripping through the canyons. Installation is as easy as zipping up your pants. Here, let me show you. Wait, what? Expecting something else? So first, you want to slowly slide the soft vinyl cover around your bar. Next, you'll slowly zip the cover so that none of the bar is exposed. Lastly, make sure you tuck in the flaps just before completing your zip for an elegant finish. "30 seconds and you're done." New personal best. Now, if you feel this box right for you, head over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you next time.